73, descend 5,000.
5,000, Malaysian Center.
Station 735, heading 240.
Heading 240, Malaysian Center.
Station 73, for your speed, huh?
Using 220 knots.
Station 73, speed 190, no.
190, Malaysian Center. Maintaining 5,000.
So 73, maintain semaphore lower and engine heading.
Okay.
Station 73, descend 3,500.
3,500, Malaysian Center.
Station 73, try direct Manan.
Can you confirm Malaysian 73 direct Manan?
Station 73, firm.
Malaysian 73, are we clear for approach?
Station 73, clear for LS approach, runway 14 left.
Yeah, that's 1 left.
Radar, Papa 340.
Service Islands, 1 left.
40.
Station 3, contact tower 1188.
Nice.
5749, service local.
Yes, 5749, continue approach, contact tower 1188.
Tower 188, 5749. Thanks for help. November Bureau, again for descent, Papa 3406.
Transport 1945, descend 8,000.
Tower 1945.
Station